bust right now. My people, Facebook one, Facebook nyaga. Facebook want to nyaga now. This is what we call saga by saga. Share this video. Wagaye. Again, get fast. Share the video. Share. Let's go. Waga video now, wagaye. Patience Izzy want to talk to us. Just 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Oh yeah, Gumagwa, 2 minutes. Imakateve na inagwe. This matter so not be the way we all they look at more. Now we matter now. Get the way it be. Why don't they see comment now? No, who I don't think your live video Who I don't think your live video Niye be comment here. Okome will give me a comment it Salobwa, but it's fine. I can read it from here. Please share this video for me. Wagaime. Share this video. Share. Hello. Mudiani ama ni kan you with. Ni ma very with. Okay. Magbang. La wo what mona share this video for me. Wagaime. Share the video. Wagaime. Mona share this video for me. Wagaime. Mona share wagaime. Story. Wagaime. Mona share. Wagaime o. See, as we speak right now, wagaime. Mona share this video. Wagaye. I be not because they see comments. Mona share this video for me. Wagaime. Mona share wagaime. Igimi. So Ekobete, after every affair no wasununi, the constantly allow is the carry picking goers. Wagaime. Share the video for me, guys. Yeah. Emerat no yagwa. She not get her to talk. Emerat no yagwa. Una share this video for me, Jari. Owagai. So you want me to call you before? Because now you be yagba of Facebook. I mean presenter. You think say easy na person if you young one head, if you young one head, you can't become your puppy. It can never become your puppy. Now when I don't understand patience, is that I can be the best one and say this that. My man is smart be. They get too smart to Okome. Osmatic be. When I ask a cool better, I know the story. But no even know the story, yeah. Wagano. We know yeah the story here. Share the video. Wagai, when it is 1,000, we will start. When it is 1,000, we will start. 21 shares. Oh, Wagai, nah. I come better. When said they use Sharon, they make money. Hey, Salo, we like it now. Are you ready to hear the story now? Wamanu Waga. You know what share? Hello. Yeah. Yeah. See me.
My brother.
Where see what my wagmo? Where see?
God, domo.
Yeah, it really live video.
Why are you that is here?
Yeah, that you know, casting 1,000.
My brother, it's a gear, for yellow. Welcome, easy. And no need to too much explanation. I not do. Because even the your mom, even though life, welcome, easy, no what your honey pigeon to end everything.
Yeah.
We know what the ton of your honey to have peace.
Yeah.
Have peace. It's not. You know what the money, you know what the pigeon of what? My brother, Laho.
Yeah, mama.
No need to explain. I want to add. If you want to work about me, they want to cut out. Who give your money back here? You know what? Period. Case closed.
But Adam, you easy to go about. You will need a color video now. Mama, we go maybe share now. You know what by 1,000 in my swing.
Okay.
Eko bete na. Iye Sharon. Eko bete yawe toge. Eko bete is using you to lie, oh mama 50 cents. Eko bete is just Jesus no ba. Eko bete. Udijo. Waga video now. Let's get to 1,000, guys. Just small, we'll get to 1,000. Small, we'll get to 1,000. Let's get to 1,000, guys. Waga video now. Oh. Wagai me. Wagai. Oh, I share. I know where say na so easy they go holiday. Na in Sharon go last year. Yeve Sharon your holiday last year. In Sharon, Mimi, and her mother. And they go holiday last year. Wagai, wa share video now, man. Let's get to 1,000 before we start. Let's get to 1,000 before we start. Let's get to 1K. 1K. Share the video, guys. Wagai. May I post this one first? I don't know if this thing gets copyright, man. So now this is the video that what I think go for holiday last year. Maybe this one they be like in a family. You see, huh? They be like family. See, Patience Izzy mama. You see, huh? In a family. See Sharon Pekin. See Patience Izzy. You see, huh? You see, huh? So, anything. Wagai. Let's get to 1,005. Let's get to 1,005. See how yeah? So they were so close. Their friendship too tight, man. Better. Their friendship was so tight. So I go better now that they use my marshal on the line for waiting in no one, no two. Go better wakiaki oge wudo. I go better wakiaki or wakiaki oge wudo. When Sharon was alive. Okay, Mundiao, call you calling it. Wagai, 1-1. Yeah. Let's just get to 2000. We'll start. Wagai, the shares, 45 shares. See, and this one's one job for share. Hey, Wagai. No, the Sharon. Wagai, my people. So that I'm making a relation. Wagai. Don't I go better? Ige. Oh, I'm not go better. My leg. I go with back here. Go better. Go better. Jesus no me wafa. Not just go there. Eko better is a devil. Eko better wants to laugh me. He will stream laugh you tire now. I had to wait to fear who. We no matter go vary to nya. Where we're not to tell we no. We have to tell. Who is using Sharon to make money? But I mean Sharon might go now. Where? Why are you here, Sharon? You are not saying it now that now so is the whole picking. Is I don't tell my way. Who can tell you? You must provide to tell you. Because if you are calling Bestie Izzy a liar, saying that Bestie Izzy they manipulate Osamede, now they manipulate what's it called? A golden. That means there is somebody where they also pass you this information. You understand? Oh, my God, analyze the Sharon. Do I analyze the Nuzaga? Do I analyze the Bestie Izzy in Wagmo? You know, but guys, share this video to 1,005. It's a patience. Oh, boy. More not believer. Until Mama Sharon come outside to speak. Say that Izzy one collect the grandpikin before we go believe it. You see, Ekobete is a devil. Izzy married. Izzy not no. Izzy thought he was with the right person. I mean, Costas in your one attack gay. Oh no, Ekobete come analyze no Zaga Wagmo. Ekobete come analyze no Zaga. That's why Izzy one carry pick. Izzy not be woman. Izzy person of here. Izzy person of here. A person of here. Yeah, Izzy when we got video now. Izzy say wanna share this video. Izzy say wanna share this video. We got video now, man. I'm not joking here, my people. Ekobete. Ekobete. Anybody when they carry matter, they give Ekobete. Okay, it go turn her upside down. Ekobete. On va nommer Ekobete. Okay, Ekobete. On va gmono. Ekobete. It go turn her. In fact, il va essayer de na valor. Frank de kindergarten. Frank na KG3 liar. Ekobete. Il give me. Ekobete na graduate with PhD holder. Ekobete a valoré. Afina. You yourself call the imagine say, ow! You take they can get it na. Bestie Izzy one come on, my batch one. Well, I will watch that video now because Bestie Izzy no tail. You know tail, eh? You know tail. Bestie Izzy no tail. No, you know tail. You know tail. You take my phone ready, Ayombo. Enogie is using Sharon to make money. So go better now. Okobete awa devawa. You can only fool the people who you call GPC because I don't know if you talk now say the fool everybody waited there because some people waited there are not your fans. They are just there to listen to what you want to say. And that is it. That is it. No. No. Is it wait 2 minutes time? I call you. Wait 2 minutes, bro. Please, we got video now. Me share, wanna share. Get where we are. Ekobete is confused already. Ekobete go talk on. My man, me. Ekobete had to not tell you because no be Mama Sharon call am. Hey. Me wa when we donate ni Ekobete no zaga wagmo. No be waiting there every now wa my no ma. I never send you to donate for me. Like a godi mio. Now I call they use diamond. When I was with you, now the diamond the year When I was with you, man, we be a party. Then you talk. We here we party because when I was with you as a friend, in my short, I don't know what happened. I come to where I jump over. Where gives the rain by Facebook Ariana. Maybe your lazy come. Where gives the rain? Facebook Ariana now. I to go out to you think you can use everybody to lie? You can't lie. Yes, Sharon Okpamen. Yes, Sharon Okpamen. Yes, Sharon Okpamen. Yes, Sharon thought you were a nice person. Yes, Sharon thinks say you be better person. Yes, Sharon Okpamen down on Bible. You know share no anyone. Why me? Wanna share this video for me? Why me? 177 shares. Okay. I think we are good to go now, my darling sister. You can call now. You can call now. When I could better, you never see anything. You're crying. I could better, you never see anything. When me. So easy one carry Sharon picking. Run for me, mama. Oh, mama. Oh, mama. Okay, see one record. She does the record. Oh. Bang, 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 bang. Go better. Call listen to Izzy. Bang, bang. Hey, are you ready to hear now? Nika Okpamen. Me I use earpiece to play first. Wala. Nika Okpamen. Nika.
Enogie for Sharon.
Hey, Nagba. Una Alpha. Una not the share 2000 or by 2000 pay. Or by 2000 pay. Iyimi kubetena. Aglass me have Alasana, wait a my glass. Pastor Grace Navoyi, share this video. Wagai me, wala. Oh my goodness, where is this earpiece? Please share this video. Patience Izzy have played the record for me. Okay, what down your wagai? Oh my goodness, wanna share. If they come. Yeah, when you want to first send this one come. They come over cussing. Waga video na me mona share get well. Wagai me. Speaker ya yakbo na bi ya yakbo na. Can you please explain? Share this video, guys. Wagai. Share this video. You say this one defend view. You and your papa defend which view? Okay. Oh. Okay. 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 All right. Okay. Izzy is a nice person. Izzy is a nice person. Izzy. I confirm this night. I say you too nice. Izzy, you are just too nice. Izzy, if you can respect Sharon, where be just a friend to you. Say for the now, you don't want to talk. Izzy, this one shows say your kind of friend are so rare. When I hear things you talk, when you go madam, not
Enogie, for Sharon's sake, I would prefer to remain quiet for now. Because Sharon still there mortuary. Really, am I bury or so for now, I don't like to talk to any.
What the list? What that? As a better con evil rich. If waiting you they talk about Patience Izzy, if not truth, why is Michelle still with Patience Izzy right now? You dey hear Patience Izzy voice for there just now, Sha. Shebi uga on. You dey hear Patience Izzy voice for there. Abu amao. Eko bete. Mjani kak be for neki do gwan. Because eko bete no. Izzy. Irrespecting him anyway, your thanks today. Izzy, the respect and regard when I get for you as a paddy and as a friend has doubled. You just took try. For real, you took try. You will be friend. Since then, now let's post to the post. We yagbe my dear.
Okay, for Sharon's sake, I go prefer to remain quiet for now. Because Sharon still there mortuary. Really, am I bury so for now, I don't like to talk to anybody. No verse, yeah. You might only go anybody go and not only have bury any time. That will go. Again, say in a platform, you have to go in Latin. But even I will know one. Sharon is my sister. So I need to respect her. So for now,
baby. What beg? Una de si mata. Una de si mata. Ditiri bossy we are not here. We bo. I got me one no gata we him say. I wish that this kind of friendship. I call it when I. Hello. Me. Oh, sister, me call. Me go want Okpamen Eko Bete. Eko Bete is a manipulator and a liar. Eko Bete. Vimagutia Eko Bito. I change your name very now. Her name is not Eko Bito. Direct way, my young. Let's go.
Enogie, for Sharon's sake, I go prefer to remain quiet for now.
Eko Bito.
Because Sharon still there mortuary. Really, am I bury so for now, I don't like to talk to anybody. No verse, yeah. You might only go anybody go and not only have bury any time. That will go. Again, say in a platform, you have to go in Latin. But even I will know one. Sharon is my sister. So I need to respect her. So for now, I'm not there waiting. I want to talk for social media.
Which friend feel be like Patience Izzy? Men will not believe Eko Bete. Eko Bete is just a manipulator. That is the truth. Enogie lovers, God will continue to bless you now. You know where? You will not be snitched like Eko Bete poopies. You guys are not a snitch like Eko Bete poopies. Oh God. This guy still there also. Mimi Yero Wae. The way Eko Bete take design Izzy this evening. Eko Bete we verbal yo di ye Sharon Okpamen you wear. Eko Bete verbal yo di ye Sharon Okpamen you wear. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Hello. Sister Nicole.
Baba, call Buta.
Yeah.
Ni fawe ni zilitu no mogije no hua.
Yeah.
Ni kuku. Ije no hua ni oga carry life obi Sharon. Ose no mana le lije no hua na ewe Izzy olelehia ne mwene kuwa.
Okay.
Ije no hua omomo ne kere no wa gbe no be tune emimi no go pe Izzy. Wa gbe no be tune e gije no hua bai. So that the government will have
yeah.
why so why mwere re kuto be webo na. Izzy na kokobio hani Izzy oso akokobio hani be webo Okay, gari le venya na vega again. They so not that gari that we dey TJ Sharon gide webo. Ogie Sharon na je Izzy ati to mo yi ke Sharon ke je gan.
Why not?
Huh?
Why not?
Me return the pikin. I pity for una. For Izzy to even talk say wanted that because I know the stress that girl will put for her.
Eh na.
I even know who are.
Salopon again you ga clinic ban.
Huh?
Izzy on le le arian. Oh, rien de check up ibana. Izzy no. Il y a tell me stress here. Oh, my belly not abana. Yo. Saloboa. Man, no, we phone, man. Yeah, I'm where I am. Yari no bawi ri man wayati. Me I go bring my charger. Ile go better ya. That's why go better be. No, this is bad. Nah, this is bad. No, Nama. This is not good. It's not good. On either them at all. Easy not to say they drag the picture with anybody. If, for example, say Mama Sharon even tell Eko better this kind of word, for example, have a bavitawi, for example, Egbe na ya tell me na here. Na ya do ya here madam media. No, let's call a spade a spade. Eriwa ya. Onwa muwe o. Onwa muwe. I fear una. That's the simple truth. I don't want to go on. I fear una. That's the simple truth. Person will not fear una. I fear that person. It's all real. Jane. Yamu chajameria. Yamu chajameria. Obu wagbai. Is this not here? But what the be it? Is the activity ya help? Na help make it for not to the Miss Sharon. Or not the way activity ya way. I will see ma but omo river. Mama Sharon know is the ass. If you drive, go there. They say radio. So what you call the apple now? What is it now? May I put this number for here? May people take call. They don't need your number now, you might call it. So anybody who not see, they need to tap la diamant. Because I don't know what cabo are low.